Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Good morning.
A very good morning to all of you. So this is the period of Miss Roli, no? But due to some reason, she is not here. She is not able to take the class, today's class only. So I'm going to take her period. Is it okay, everyone? So if you have opened your book of physics, so please close that. Okay. So I hope you all have given your examination very well. Isn't it? Everyone has given. Okay. Now, after a few days, after 20-25 days, you will get your report card. But children, as I can feel, as I can see in my subject, so you people, what you people have done, you all have cheated, especially cheated from internet. I gave one question, it is regarding paragraph writing. You all have written, I'm not saying all, but out of 300 students, 250 have written the same answer, which is copied by internet. The answer which is given on internet, the same thing you people have written in examination. But what did I say that time? I told use your own brain. Only the topic is so simple. It was a class without a teacher, or the second only I have given means most of you have written a class without teacher. And the second topic I gave if there were no examination. So what is the need of copying from internet? Topic is very simple. So what was the problem? I'm not saying all of you have copied, but many of you, most of the people, most of the students have copied from internet because the answer was same. And when I put the question on internet, paragraph writing on class without a teacher or life without the exam, if there were no exam, so I found the same thing what you had written. Please be honest in your life. You know, from next Monday onwards, your school is going to start. Your offline class will begin. So you have to give offline examination. So what will you do? Those have copied from internet directly. I gave them only 2 marks or 0 marks like that. When you say your copy that time, don't ask me miss why you have given only this much marks. You know one thing, on internet, different people write different things. Suppose if you have any blog, if you have any website, so you can also write and that thing will come on internet. Everyone is not correct on internet. Every part, every piece of work that is not correct on internet. What Wikipedia says, that is correct. What Britannica says, that is correct. Most of the sites are correct, but all the sites are not correct. There are very grammatical error I found on your paragraph writing. Anyone can write on net. Only you have a website, you have a blogging. Means if you do blogging, whether it is free of cost on Blogger, so you can also write on internet. So don't depend on internet. All the time it is not correct, because we are the people only who write. Got my point? That is why I directly cut and give 0 or 2 marks. Out of 10, you people are getting only 2, 3, 0 like this because of your mistake only. 2 or 3 times before examination, I instructed, please don't copy the answer from internet. That is why I told. So what the teacher says, whether I'm saying anything or any other teacher says anything, please pay attention on those things. Yes, Rajveer.
Ma'am, I written from internet, but before exam on book and learn.
So
And to write
yes,
exam.
I said all the time it is not correct. Suppose you are Rajveer.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you can also write on internet. What you write, that will come in Google.
Oh, ma'am, I am seen from internet and write my book before exam.
So
And
what is given?
I write.
What I am saying, first listen. What is given in internet, that must be correct all the time, especially this part, this writing parts, because all the bloggers write.
Ma'am, I written from Wikipedia.
Wikipedia. Only information is mentioned there, not your comprehension, not your paragraph writing is there. What is paragraph writing? It may give, but the exact paragraph writing about the topic, it will not give on Wikipedia. Yes, Swarnika. Ishita.
Ma'am, before examination, I have prepared my paragraph by my own words and some of Google.
As I remember, you have done good.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Kaushiki.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, actually what I did when I was preparing, I was not knowing how to start the essay, a class without class teacher. So I searched on Google and I've only learned the first line, how to start, and else the whole essay I've written in my words only.
Beta, if you don't know, if you can't understand that time, you can ask me.
Please, before the examination,
Actually,
when I was
just see
preparing.
what happened in English grammar or Hindi grammar. If it is language, so in all the classes you will get the same thing. So what is given on the internet, it is for class 10, 12. It is not for your class. According to your class, the thing is not wider. Okay. So there is a difference.
Okay, ma'am.
If you can't understand anything, all of you, please ask me. Here in online class or in offline class, whether in offline class I'm going to teach you or not, I don't know. But please ask me. If you can ask, it is very good. Don't be in dilemma.
Everything, but little hint I have taken by that. How can I write it? How can I start it? How can I end it? Some words I have taken, not the lines. In
Can you please repeat?
ma'am, if there were no examination, I have written that as paragraph, and from internet I have seen some words that to how to insert some words only I have seen, not everything. Some hint I just
People,
taken.
good student like you will copy, like do. So what others will do, Manya? You are
No,
a
miss, not.
roll number.
Miss, not copied. I have just taken little bit hint.
Okay, I have not seen your copy yet. Harshita.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, the paragraph writing I wrote very big, but I did not hit one word also. Some
Yes, Harshita.
Yes, ma'am. My paragraph writing was of 1.5 page, but I did not cheat one word also. Ma'am, it was
Harshita, you have also done good.
okay, ma'am.
Yes, Surbhi. And in class 7, one boy is there, Muhammad Amar. Like this. If he has attended the class right now, please raise your hand. Muhammad Amar or Amar. If you have attended today's class, so please raise the hand. Otherwise, I will take your contact number from your class teacher and I will call you. Yes, Surbhi?
Ma'am, I was saying that in the examination, full essay I have written by myself.
Okay.
I have not seen one word also from anywhere.
Gaurav?
Miss, I have made that paragraph by my own. I have not cheated from internet, but I have written so much long.
Okay. Yes, Gaurav.
And Miss, I want to know from when our school will open.
Beta, from 23rd most probably, because yesterday only government has ordered to open from class 6 to 8 too. So 99.99% from 23rd.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Yatharth.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Miss, I'm saying that I have not cheated from internet. I am only asked to my sister when I was preparing.
During examination or before examination?
Just before examination.
Okay, wait. Yes, unmute yourself. Beta, please be honest and tell me one thing. I'm not going to cut your marks. I'm not going to scold you. Why there were two different handwriting in your question paper? Why so?
Ma'am, actually, first I had left the page for that paragraph. Now, then after that, when
I'm not asking about only paragraph. You're in 7th F, I guess.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. So what is the problem? Means suppose some Arifa is there. Who is Arifa?
Ma'am, she is my mother.
She is your mother. Okay. Now tell me why different handwritings are there.
Ma'am, in paragraph, I had
I'm
left
not
the
asking only about paragraph writing. To whom you are looking at? One more thing is there. Suppose you have given examination in front of Zoom. The answer is written. Suppose you have written and before that you have written go. So it goes right. Then again you have written this. If suppose at my place you are standing, so what will you think for these things? Beta, you are in class 7. Whether your parents are saying anything that is not correct, your teacher is saying that is not correct, please don't repeat it. Please don't do it. You people are going to get 100 out of 100 or 10 out of 100, doesn't matter. But what will you achieve in your life, that keeps only matter. Honestly, you know, I have checked one class section copy and I found that 2 or 3 students are fail in English, man. They have not got 40 marks, less than 40 they have got, but I'm happy because they have not cheated from anything. Cheating is very easy nowadays.
Ma'am, I'm not cheated.
I'm not telling to you in a common way as you people have copied from internet, so I'm saying.
No, ma'am, I'm not copied from internet. I've
In
written
a common way, I'm saying. So what they have done, if they have not achieved more than 40 or less than 40, that is no issue there. because they have not prepared. That is why. But they have not copied it from anywhere. They have not copied comprehension. They have not copied paragraph. They have not copied letter writing.
Ma'am, but I have also not copied from anywhere.
So those children are very nice. In the eyes of mine, they are very nice because they are true. They are honest. I can only say don't repeat it again, but it is up to you what you people are going to do in future. Yes, Tushar?
Ma'am, how was my essay?
7. Beta, I have not seen a copy yet.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Wait,
Ma'am, I can go.
Tushar.
Someone has came on my gate.
I have seen Tushar.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have done well.
Ma'am, someone has came on my gate. I can go.
Yes. Ishita. Yes, Ishita. Your voice is not coming to me. Tanvi Mishra, enable the video. Varuna.
Miss, I have learned the letter from the
Good
internet.
morning, ma'am.
Varuna, please wait. Yes, Shaurya.
Miss, I have learned the letter from the internet.
Beta, can you speak loudly?
Miss, I have learned the letter from the internet.
You have learned the letter from internet. Okay. Varuna, yes.
Miss, how was my paragraph?
Varuna, I have not seen your copy yet because you are in 7th level. The last section.
Ma'am, I have seen from internet, but I have
Beta,
learned
speak
before
loudly.
exam. Miss, I have seen from internet, but I have learned it before exam.
Varuna, speak loudly.
Hello?
Yes.
Ma'am, my voice is coming.
Yes, it is coming up. Again, it is not coming. Yes, Divyansh.
Miss, how was my paragraph?
Your paragraph, beta, I have not remembered. Yes, Varuna. I'm not saying to all the students that they have copied the answer from internet or paragraph writing, but mostly have done that. I'm saying that only. Yes, Gaurav.
Ma'am, how much marks I have got in paragraph?
Beta, can I remember this?
Miss, can you check and tell?
Are there in each section more than 55 students are there? How can
Miss,
I?
can you check and tell?
When you come for taking your examinations results, so that time you can see.
Miss, now you cannot tell.
No. Okay, now the second thing is letter writing. In letter writing, as one boy has told me that he has learned, he has prepared the letter from internet. So that is no issue. In the body part, there is no issue. But what happened? There are 3 boards. Everyone knows the state board, that is our UP board. Second, CBSE board. Third, our ICSE board. Now what happens in CBSE board? They follow the different format of letter writing. In ICSE board, we follow the different format of letter writing. But you will get most of the results of letter writing, what is given on internet, that is followed by CBSE board only. So according to our board, according to format which I gave you, which I taught you that time, so it is incorrect. Okay. So there is a difference. Now I got the point why there is you did not follow the format which I taught you. So always remember, don't depend on internet, especially from these topics, because internet in this way internet is not correct. That is totally correct. But what happened? Different board follows different format, so there is some difference. Everyone got my point? Now, the letter which you got, it is from informal part only. But some of you have written, it is informal part. I told, don't write subject. In the format of informal letter, there is no subject. But you people have written subject also. For writing subject, I did not cut any mark, but please don't write subject in informal letter. The format of informal letter is this. Firstly, you will write address. Address means sender's address. Suppose in the question it was mentioned, write a letter to your younger sister, congratulating her on her success. No, this question came. Now you are writing a letter to your younger sister. You are writing a letter to the person to whom you know personally. That is why it is informal letter only. So for this, you will follow the format of informal. I already told you that in first semester, you will get question from informal letter. So firstly, you will start from your address, means sender's address. You are writing a letter to your younger sister. It means you will write only your address. So your address must be in this form. Now see, till when we are not completing address, till we are not writing pin code, on each line you will put, after completion of each line you will put comma only. But some of you have not put comma. Simply you have written HL1, 2, 3, raise the hand, and in this way. Just a second. So for not putting comma, as I told, I will cut this. I will not award you 1 mark for this. Because comma punctuation is very necessary, very essential in letter writing. Okay? So those have not put comma in letter writing, so they have got 0 marks on address part. If you put comma and you will stop, then you have got 1. Did you understand? Now, after this, you will leave a line, then you will write date. Days must be in the given format. Suppose today is 17 August. I told that after writing date, you will put TH in full line. TH must be in complete line. But many of you have written 17 in this way. If TH goes up, so it means it was wrong.